Welcome to Angus Thinks. What you're about to see is an excerpt from a presentation on modernization. This first part is simply explaining the concept of modernization to clarify, to look at it from a different perspective. Enjoy. So let's start with the concept. First question I'm going to ask is, if you started an IT department just today for your organization, what would it actually look like? Something that we don't often think about, and I'm asking you from a perspective of modernization, what would that be? You'd have to think about things like email, a very simple thing. Where would it be hosted? Would you have your own email system? What about your phone system? What about security for this? And applications, where would you put your applications? Where would you develop your applications? And how much of it would you extend to each user that you would have available in your organization? And where would that infrastructure be? Where would the hardware reside? Where would the applications reside? How would they be built? How would they look? And where would they run? Very important question, number one. The question number two is, where are you today in your IT department? What does it look like? What does your IT department configuration make up? And you have to start with a very important thing. Obviously, the infrastructure. The hardware infrastructure is really key to this. Do you know what that is? Most companies have a picture of that, but they don't have a picture of their application infrastructure. They don't have a picture of who their IT team is, what the staff is, what the culture, what the skills are. And they don't have a profile of their customers. They don't know who those customers are as a recorded profile. They know by instinct, but they don't have it all written down. So where are you today? Have you got that recorded? So there's your second question. Now, question 1 and 2 are important, because question 3 is, how do I get there? How do I get there from here? If I wanted to start today to move to where I would have an IT department that looks like I built it today, what does that look like? And how does it fit my current architecture? Does it fit at all? What skills do I need? And compare that to what skills I have. What tools do I need? What tools do I have? And that's modernization. So let's put that in another perspective, by picture. We know what the picture of where we're headed looks like. It's a beautiful, modern, castle-looking house. And if I look at where I'm at today, and I'm in some shack, and I want to go from there to here to the modern-looking IT department, how do I get there? That's modernization. It's a set of plans. It's a roadmap, if you will. That's what modernization is all about. And that's the concept of modernization. You can see the entire presentation on this site. Thanks for watching.